Hello everyone, today I will show you a bot can automatically upload Reels videos to Instagram. This is the MKT Insta software. With this software, you can add an unlimited number of accounts. Each account can be assigned a separate IP like this. You can log in very easily by right-clicking and selecting Login. The software will automatically open small Chrome browser windows like this. This is the first preparation step. You need the automation bot and the account added to the bot for auto-posting. Next, I will create the content to post. I will choose the video that the bot will upload for me. Go to the content management section. Here, you can create multiple categories to store content. As you can see, these are content categories I created earlier. Now I will create some new posts. I click on Add Article first. I choose the content folder called Content Reels. Then I select the Instagram platform. I choose the content type as video article. The title field is the content name shown in the software. It helps you recognize what this content is. I will name it 01. The content section is the video description shown on Instagram Reels. I have already prepared this part. Here I use spin syntax. This means the bot will randomly select one option between the vertical bars. It will automatically create different titles for each video. Next, I upload the videos I want to post for 01. I select videos from the Content Reels folder. I have already downloaded many videos. Here I select all videos. After selecting, you can see the total number of videos. Here I set it to post one video and enable random mode. You can preview the video information below. After saving, the new content is added to the list. Next, I go to the main feature section. This is the automatic Reels posting feature. Go to the Automation tab and choose Post Reels. Then select the account categories you want to post with. For example, I select categories. Next, choose the content to post. Select the content category, then select Content 01. You can allow the bot to reuse the same content. This means multiple accounts can post the same content. Enable the random post option below. Set the number of videos per account. For example, I set it randomly from 1 to 2 videos. Some accounts will post 1 video and others will post 2. I also set the video ratio to 9:16. You can tag users if needed. You can share to Facebook. You can enable interactions after posting, such as likes and comments. Next, set the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts work at the same time. I set it to 11 threads. This depends on your computer configuration. Then select all accounts and click Start. After clicking Start, the tool will open browsers automatically. The bot will begin posting for you. You can monitor the posting process on the screen. If you have any questions or want to purchase a license, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you again in the next videos.